this is our opo. I bought opo in a seafood city, and then ito yung ano natin, yung refrigerate ko. Yung long beans. And then we have shallots, and white onion, and isang galunggong na prito, at saka 1 small can na coconut milk and naka-seasoning. Ayan na yung mga seasoning ko. Ito yung grapeseed oil naman ilalagay natin. Tikman na natin. Tikim-tikim na. Yan, malambot na yung isda rin. 5 minutes. Can you be